Monday Mortgage
Week 4, guys.
Quarterback.
Monday Mortgage Quarterback is back, and wow, the NFL keeps reminding us just how much gridiron is king. But before we get into this week's biggest highlights, let's remind you the four most common mortgage loan products and how they tick. All right, guys, let's call the plays. Play number 1, conventional. Typically, you're going to see 5% as a standard down payment, although for some borrowers with strong credit, you can go as low as 3%. If your down payment's less than 20%, you're going to have private mortgage insurance until your equity rises. No special funding fee, just the ongoing PMI. With conventional loans, they're widely accepted for primary homes, secondary homes, or investment properties. They have fixed or adjustable rate options, fewer upfront loan level fees compared to some governmental programs. Now, number 2 is the FHA loan. Down payment requirement as low as 3.5%, as long as your credit score is above 580. You have to pay both an upfront insurance premium of 1.75% of the loan amount, which you can roll into the loan, and an annual mortgage insurance premium, which is paid monthly as part of your payment. FHA is more forgiving on credit score and debt to income ratios, and it's a go-to for buyers who have less cash saved but with solid job stability. Number 3, the MVP here, the VA loan. VA loan, 0 down payment for eligible veterans, active duty service members, and some surviving spouses. There is no monthly mortgage insurance, so no PMI, no MIP, but there is a one-time VA funding fee unless you qualify for an exemption with a service-connected disability. VA rates, very competitive, typically better than average interest rates, more lenient credit criteria, and the ability to refinance with another VA loan, the EARL, with minimal paperwork. Play number 4, the USDA loan. Now, USDA loan does offer 0 down, 100% financing possible in eligible rural or certain suburban areas. You have to check the property eligibility map for the USDA for your address. It has a 1% guarantee fee, which you can roll into the loan, and an annual fee, which you pay monthly like mortgage insurance. These FHA loans do have great rates. They're designed for lower to moderate income borrowers in rural or semi-rural communities. Again, check that property map, usda.gov. Make sure your address qualifies. Take a breather, guys. Now, that's your mortgage playbook. Conventional FHA, VA, USDA, with all the down payment information, insurance and funding fee, the rules, all you need to know. Now, let's pivot to the NFL and recap week 4 because we've got drama, milestones, and upset alerts. Now, here are some of the top moments you need to know about from week 4 of the NFL season. We are going to start with the Chiefs. The Chiefs roll past the Ravens. Mahomes throws 4 touchdowns, and they dismantle the Ravens 37-20. The Ravens defense, it looks to be one of the worst in the league. We had a milestone in this one. Coach Andy Reid coaching his 200th game as head coach in Kansas City. Adding some injury and insult, Lamar Jackson left the game early in this one due to a hamstring injury. Hopefully he's okay. Giants rookie spark. Yes, Jackson Dart made his first NFL start, led the Giants to a 21-18 upset win over the previous unbeaten Chargers. He finished with a touchdown pass and a touchdown run, played mistake-free football, didn't turn the ball over. However, the first win for New York also came with a big cost. They lost star Malik Nabers for the season due to a torn ACL in his right knee. You hate to see that. Wow, the Eagles survived this battle of the undefeated teams in Tampa Bay. The Eagles win 31-25. They would use a blocked punt return for a touchdown to help seal the win and keep the Eagles undefeated. Packers and Cowboys, oh my, boy, they went wild on Sunday night. Overtime was not enough time to decide a winner. Both quarterbacks, over 300 yards, 3 touchdowns. This was the highest scoring tie in NFL history. Both teams notching 40 points and both teams going home with a tie. You had wins in week 4 by the Seahawks, the Steelers in Ireland, the Texans, the Falcons, the Bills go to 4-0. The Lions, Pats, Jaguars, Rams, and Bears all get wins. Now, can my Dolphins get a win on Monday night? If they don't get it tonight, I'm not sure when they're going to get it, guys. So, yes, Gridiron Glory, Mortgage Mastery, all in one video. Let me know which team you root for, guys, or which mortgage product you'd like me to dig further into. I'll see you next Monday, same time, same Mortgage Quarterback channel, guys. Greg Makos with Trident Home Loans.